Do you want to declutter your home and make some extra cash? You can do that right from your couch with Letgo. Letgo is an app where you can post anything: cars, clothing, housewares, a rental property, or a service that you offer. Here's how it works. In the app, snap a picture of the item you want to sell. Cleaning the item up will make it more appealing to buyers. Next, enter the price you want to charge. If you just want to get rid of something, you can list it for free. Then, finish your listing by adding more photos, a title, and a description. Now you just have to wait for interested buyers. Waiting can be the hardest part, but we had messages about our post within about 30 minutes. If you don't want to wait, you can boost your post for a fee. One thing you need to know: Letgo doesn't handle payments within the app, so you should arrange that with your buyer before meeting them. Once you sell your item, mark it sold in the app so that people know it's off the market. Listing your item on multiple platforms like Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist gives you a better chance of selling your item quickly. Have you used Letgo or another app to make money? Let us know in the comments below, and find more ways to make money at clark.com.